Hello, budding entrepreneurs. Welcome to part one of my new series that I'm starting that is called Business Tools You Didn't Know You Needed. So today we're going to cover 3 game-changing tools that will elevate your business and can help solve some common startup problems. Let's get started. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Vuyile. I create business videos helping beginner entrepreneurs or even aspiring entrepreneurs learn some of the basic tools that they need in order to thrive in entrepreneurship, to thrive in business. Okay, first, let's start off with Ownr. And if you've watched some of my videos, you know I am a huge fan of Ownr. Their ability to make the process of registering your business within Canada so much easier is really unrivaled. So Ownr is a platform that makes it easier for entrepreneurs to start, manage, and grow their businesses. Imagine you're getting ready to incorporate your business and need all the help to do all the paperwork that's involved with that. The traditional route involves lots of paperwork, lots of legal work, jargon, and endless forms. But with Ownr, they make the process so much simpler. So this is what it would look like registering your business either as a sole proprietorship, incorporated, or partnership on the Ownr platform. Step 1, go to Ownr's website and sign up. Step 2, enter your business details and choose your business structure. Step 3, complete the online application and Ownr takes care of the rest. Now let's get into why Ownr is a better option for business registration in Canada and why I have personally used it a couple times. Traditionally, you would have to navigate through complex legal documents or hire expensive legal services. With Ownr, the process is streamlined and user-friendly. It's designed to help you save time and money. Plus, with their integration with RBC, you can save $300 instantly when you open an RBC business bank account within 60 days of your registration. And if you want to learn more about Ownr, you can check out their website using the link in the description box. They've also been featured in a bunch of different entrepreneurship blogs and really praised for their user-friendly, beginner-friendly interface that helps you navigate the initial steps of business registration in Canada. So if you're a beginner, this is a really great tool to get you started. Just a disclaimer, even though yes, you can register your business on Ownr, it is still really important to check out your municipal or provincial government permits and licenses for the specific business you are starting. And so maybe the basic documents that are necessary, like business registration number and all of that, is not the only thing you need for the specific business you have. Maybe you need specific permits, maybe you need specific licensing. And so it's important to also check those out and not just register the business, but to also get the necessary licenses. Next, let's talk about Melio. Let's say you're managing your business and you have multiple vendor payments that you have to navigate monthly. Traditionally, you'd be writing checks, you'd be making wire transfers, which can be time consuming and costly. And so Melio helps you to streamline this process. So this is what it looks like to get started on Melio. Step 1, sign up on Melio's website. Step 2, add your vendor's payment details. Step 3, schedule payments via ACH transfers, checks, or credit card, even if your vendor doesn't accept credit cards. Traditionally, paying vendors could involve several steps and additional fees. With Melio, not only can you manage payments out of one place, but you can also optimize your cash flow by paying bills in up to 12-month installments. This feature is really great for any startups that are really looking to manage their budget really carefully. For beginner entrepreneurs, it's a great way to simplify your payment processes and keep track of your finances efficiently. And if you want to learn more about Melio, check out the link in my description. It's also important to note with this particular platform to search if it's available within your country. I know I have different people who view these videos from different parts of the world, so make sure you do your due diligence before signing up to make sure that it's available in your country and works with your particular sets of vendors. And lastly, let's talk about Notion. If you are a YouTube regular, you definitely have heard about Notion. It is a very common tool that is shared by creators, by students, by entrepreneurs. It is the tool to know about. So if within your business process, you are typically juggling a large amount of projects and multiple tasks, maybe you're using spreadsheets, maybe you're using sticky notes, maybe you're using emails to stay organized. Sometimes having all those different resources can be rather stressful, and Notion is a really great place to bring all of those tools into one simple place. So this is how you can create your Notion account. Step 1, create your free Notion account. Step 2, set up a workspace with project boards, task lists, and notes. Step 3, customize your templates to fit your business needs. The reason Notion is talked about by so many different kinds of creators and people, it's because it is so versatile. You can customize it to make it work for you and your particular business needs. Whether you're planning a content calendar, tracking project progress, or organizing your business strategy, Notion helps to adapt to all your needs. So an example of a way that I've used Notion in the past before within my business is to use it as my all-in resource. So for example, if we have new team members coming in, I would just share the Notion page, Notion board that we have, that would have the company's mission statements, that would have all our facts and figures, that would have any just like key information that any new team member needs to know about in order to better understand the business. What's really great about Notion is that you can get a lot done even just at the free basic level. You don't necessarily have to pay to get like the decent features, but if you did want to invest in the platform, plans can start from $4 a month upwards, which is really great if you're a beginner entrepreneur, your finances are kind of strapped, you don't have a lot of wiggle room. This is a really great resource for that. And there you have it, 3 essential tools that every beginner entrepreneur should know about. So rather than give general advice, I'm really excited to share more practical tools, practical resources that you can use and start implementing today. Ownr, Melio, and Notion can help you stay organized, manage your business finances, and streamline your business operations. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a comment and let me know what are some specific things that you may have learned from this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to learn more tips and tricks for giving your business the best chances at success. And stay tuned for part 2, where I will be giving even more tools and resources that you should know about that can help alleviate different aspects of your business. Until next time, God bless you guys.